Hi, my name is Salil. I have done image classification project. This is a two image that I want to classify. One image is helicoil is present, on another image is helicoil is not present. You can see the two ring present inside the image. That is helicoil present. That is a two class one. There is no helicoil present inside that coil. So it is set as a class 0. Um, okay, let's see the demo of this image. Let us copy the class 1 image path. You can see the model score is 0.94, which is greater than 0.5. Probability of 94 percentage. The image is class 1 image. Okay, let us see the class 0 image. Okay, the probability is less than 0.5, that is minus 0.6. 10 to the power minus 0.6, which is less than 0.5, and the probability is 1. The image is class 0 image, which is no helicoil is present inside the coil, so it is set as class 0. Okay, thank you.